Now that you are all set, let's take a quick look at what you can expect from this training. Here's the agenda for the course. First, we'll begin with an introduction to email etiquette, understanding why it matters and how it can impact your professional image. 2. We'll dive into structuring your email, covering how to organize your content for clarity and impact. 3. We'll explore language and tone, how to sound polite, confident, and professional in every email you write. 4. After that, we'll move to formatting and presentation, simple yet powerful techniques to make your emails easy to read and visually clean. 5. We'll then go over the essential email do's and don'ts, practical tips to help you avoid common mistakes and stand out positively. 6. We'll also discuss handling challenging situations, like replying to complaints, dealing with misunderstandings, or saying no without sounding rude. 7. Once we've covered the concepts, you'll get to apply them through practical exercises, real-life scenarios to sharpen your skills. And finally, we'll wrap things up with a conclusion, where we'll revisit key takeaways and guide you on how to continue improving your email communication. This structured approach will help you not only learn the rules of effective emailing, but also apply them confidently in your daily work.